Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday everybody. We have an absolute ton of new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts and we have a total of 15 glitches to talk about. So we have a lot to get to today, but before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. We are going to jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons. We have an absolute ton to go over. I believe we received over 100 new digital coupons and we have a ton of glitches. So I am going to be skipping over quite a few of these coupon matchups just because we have to talk about all of these glitches and super cheap deals that we have. So those are the most important things that I want to get to in this video, so let's go ahead and jump right in. We talked about the ACT coupon last week, so I'm going to go ahead and clip that 150 off one higher value coupon. We have 150 off one for the Quilted Northern. We have Body Armor. We have $2.30 off one for the Febreze Small Spaces. Those are priced at $3.25, so after the coupon you're going to pay just 95 cents. So awesome deal there. We have 25 cents off one for the Charmin. We have 3 off 2 for the Crest toothpaste and Oral-B products. Now, this coupon is working on a lot, but the most important products that it's working on, it is glitching with. All right, so we have the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1. We have the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1. We have the Oral-B Healthy and Clean toothbrushes for $1, and we have the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1. Find 2 of those at your store, use this coupon, and that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. We have a ton of overage this week, guys. It's going to be a really good week. All right, Huggies. We have 2 off 1 for the Colgate toothpaste. This works on the Max Fresh toothpaste. They're priced at $2.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just 95 cents. However, this coupon is also glitching, and it is working on the Colgate Kids toothpaste priced at $1. So pick up one of those, use this coupon. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. We have 1 off 1 for the Pepsi 18 packs. Those are priced at $7.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50. We have 1 off 1 for the Tide, 1 off 2 for the Mr. Clean products. Now, these are priced at $3.25 normally, but in the app it says that they are on sale 2 for $6.50. That includes the magic erasers, the Mr. Clean all-purpose cleaners, all that good stuff. So I have a feeling that they are going to be raising those prices this week if they have them on sale 2 for $6.50, right? So pick up 2 of those, use this coupon. You're going to pay $5.50 for 2. Excuse my voice. I'm kind of losing it a little bit this morning. All right, now this coupon is glitching, so if you can find the $1 Mr. Clean Magic Erasers in the dollar aisle, make sure that you scan it because some people are saying it is not attaching in the store. So scan those $1 Mr. Clean Magic Erasers, pick up 2 of those, use this coupon, you're going to pay $1 for 2. Moving on down, 50 cents off 1 for the Dawn, 1 off 1 for the Snuggle and All products. Those are still on sale for $4.50 this week. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. And we still have that instant savings for when you spend $15 on all Snuggle and Purex products. You're going to instantly save $3 at the register. So I'm going to pass on clipping this one for now just because I do still have some higher value 2 off 1 insert coupons that came in our inserts a couple of weeks ago. Now, talking about this coupon, we have 125 off 1 for the Snuggle products. Again, they're on sale for $4.50. After this coupon, you're going to pay $3.25, and you can throw that in with the instant savings deal. Now, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the 40-count Snuggle dryer sheets. Those are priced at $2.60, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.35. So definitely go ahead and clip that one. We have a 1 off 2 for the Clorox products. So if you want to pick up the toilet bowl cleaners, those are priced at $3. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5 for 2. But this coupon is glitching. I told y'all we have a ton of glitches this week. This is working on the 409 all-purpose cleaners. Those are priced at $3.75 each. So pick up 2. Use this coupon. You're going to pay $6.50 for 2 of the 409 all-purpose cleaners. And we normally don't have coupons on the 409, so that's a pretty good deal. All right, moving on down, 1 off 2 for the Kelloggs cereals. Now, there's a couple of sales going on with Kellogg's. We have an instant savings for when you buy 3 Kellogg's cereals. You're going to instantly save $1 at the register. And then we also have a sale on the Kellogg's cereals that are normally priced $3.65 each. Those are on sale this week, 3 for $6. So what I would do is go ahead and pick up 3, use this coupon. You're going to pay $5 for 3 boxes. Next up, 50 cents off one for the Puffs tissue multi-packs. So the 4 packs are priced at $5.75, but this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Puffs single cubes. Those are priced at $1.90, so after the coupon you're going to pay $1.40. Again, with the glitches we have a ton. Next up, 25 cents off one for the Bounty. This does work on the Bounty Essentials that are priced at $5.75, so after the coupon you pay $5.50, but this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Bounty 1-count paper towels found in the dollar aisle for $1, so after the coupon you're going to pay just 75 cents. Awesome deal. There's another Angel Soft coupon. Go ahead and clip that. Next up, we have 4 off 1 for the Bic razors. Guys, this is an awesome coupon. It's working on a ton of the razors. You can pick up the Bic Us razors that are priced at $6.35. After the coupon, you'd pay $2.35. We also have the Bic Women's Soleil razors priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay just $1. Now, this coupon is also glitching. Let me see here. We also have the Bic Men's Flex 3 razors. Those are priced at $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. And this coupon is also glitching and working on the Bic Simply Soleil razors 3-count. Those are priced at $3.65. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 35 cents in overage. So awesome, awesome deal there. Alright, moving on, we have 1 off 1 for the Swiffer products. Those start out at $4.50. After the coupon, you pay $3.50. We have 2 off 1 for the All Free and Clear Mighty Packs or the Purex. Those are priced at $9.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.50, but keep in mind we do have that instant savings. 50 cents off 3 of the David's, what are those, sunflower seeds. Those are priced at $1 each. We have 1 off 1 for the Crest or Scope mouthwash. The 1 liter bottles are $4.50. I'm sorry, they're $4. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. But this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Crest with Scope mouthwash found in the trial or travel section for $1. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. Alright, next up, we have 1 off 1 for the Frito-Lay variety packs. Those are priced at $9.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $8.95. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Febreze Unstoppables. Now these are priced at $4, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2, but this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Febreze Forest car clips, the 1-count car clips, forest scent or whispering woods scent. If you can find the ones that are forest scent, those are priced at $3, so after the coupon you're going to pay just $1. If you can find the whispering woods, those are priced at $3.25, so after the coupon you're going to pay $1.25. So great deal there. $1.50 off 1 for the Arm & Hammer, 25 cents off for the Ajax Fabuloso. There's a lot included with that coupon as well. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Crest toothpaste. So this does work on the Pro Health toothpaste. Those are priced at, they start out at $2.65. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 65 cents. The next price up is $3.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.35. But this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Crest Pro Health toothpaste. Let me just double check. No, this is working on the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1 found in the dollar aisle. So pick up one of those, use this coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. Amazing. Next up, 2 off 2 for the Dial body wash. We also have 1 off 2 for the Hefty Slider bags. Now these are on sale, 2 for $5, so after the coupon you're going to pay $4 for 2, but this coupon also has a glitch. This is working on the DG Home 23-count gallon storage bags. So these are priced at $2.50. Pick up 2 of those. After the coupon you're going to pay $4 for 2. Y'all, we may just have to do a good deals and glitch list video this week. I do not know. This is so much information. 1 off 1 for the Microban multi-purpose sprays. Those are priced at $3.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2.50. Another Angel Soft coupon. 1 off 1 for the Sparkle. We did have an Ibotta rebate, so definitely check your Ibotta accounts. If you're not signed up, my referral code is in the description box down below. Next up, we have 2 off 1 for the Colgate toothbrushes. Though, if you want to pick up the Max White toothbrushes, those are priced at $3.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.35. We have Safeguard. We have 3 off 1 for the Gain or the Tide Pods. 5 off 3 for the Secret Deodorant. 1 off 1 for the Microban sanitizing sprays. I'm sorry that I'm skipping over a lot of these, but we still have some really good deals to get to. Alright, we have 1 off 3 for the Gerber. We do have a lot of Gerber coupons this week, so if you guys have babies or you have people with small children in your family, definitely go and clip those and take advantage of those deals because those prices are also rising. Next up, $2.30 off one for the Febreze car clips. Again, those are priced at $3.25 each. So pick up one of those, use that coupon. That's going to leave you paying just 95 cents. All right, moving on down. One off one for the Smuckers. If you want to pick up the squeeze bottles, those are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. We have 50 cents off one for the Suave deodorants. So these are priced at $2.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.15. Now we do have that DG store coupon on Suave products for you're going to save $2 when you spend $6 on Suave products. And we do have 50 cent off one Suave deodorant coupons in today's Unilever insert. Now, this coupon I would consider to be a glitch coupon because this is working on the 1.4 ounce Suave deodorants. Those are priced at $1.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 85 cents. All right, moving on down, we have another Gerber coupon. Here is a 1 off 2 for the Ziploc products. So those, lost my place here. Those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $8 for 2. We have $2.50 off one for the Glade plug-in scented oil starter kits, or the nicer, I forget what they're called, in plug-in plus products. So this coupon is working on the Glade starter kits that are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay just $1. Now, I would consider this a glitch as well because it does say the Glade plug-in plus warmers, but this is working on the regular warmers, the 2 count. So those are priced at $3.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.25 for the 2 count regular Glade warmers. Now, if you can find the Glade starter kit that is cashmere woods scented, those are priced at $2.70. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 20 cents. So definitely check your clearance section for that product. All right, moving on, we have extra. We have 3 off 2 for the Head and Shoulders. We have $1.50 off one for the Finish dishwasher tablets. Now, we did have some Ibotta rebates for Finish as well, so definitely check your Ibotta accounts. 2 off 1 for the Poise. 1 off 1 for the Dove body wash. These are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50. But keep in mind, we do have that instant savings on Dove this week. So when you spend $8 on Dove products, you're going to instantly save $2 at the register. And we do have the same value coupon in today's Unilever insert. All right, 2 off 1 for the Downy Regain fabric softeners. 5 off 2 for the Always Discreet products. 1 off 2 for the Simply Popcorners. $1.50 off 1 for the Airwick Freshmatic refills. Those have went up in price to $6. Can y'all believe that? No, ma'am. Not paying that. All right, 2 off 1 for the pull-ups. 1 off 1 for the Dove Men Plus Care body wash or bar soap. Now, these are priced, or they start out at $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5. Again, we have that instant savings this week, so that's going to make for some really great deals. But we also have a higher value Unilever insert coupon. It is buy one of the Dove Men Plus Care body washes and get the deodorant for free. So I'm going to pass on clipping this one for now just because I do have that Unilever insert. And if I haven't said it already, today is a great day to pick up a newspaper. I did post the insert schedule earlier today on the community tab, but we have the P&G. We also have a Save insert, we have the Unilever insert, and a Smart Source insert. So 4 inserts in today's Sunday newspapers. All right, I'm skipping over quite a few of these here just because, I mean, there are some good deals in here, but we have got to get to the really good deals, right? All right, 2 off 1 for the Crest Gum Detoxify. Again, check your Ibotta accounts for a rebate on that. Sometimes we get lucky on those. All right, there's some more Gerber. 1 off 1 for the Gillette 2-pack deodorants. 5 off 3 for the Secret Clinical. Those are pretty pricey at $8.95 each, but we'll go ahead and clip that coupon. We have 2 off 1 for the Colgate battery toothbrushes. Those are $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. 1 off 1 for the ZzzQuil. 3 off 1 for the Old Spice dry spray or body sprays. Those are priced at $7, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We have $5 off when you purchase one of the Dollar Shave Club starter kits and one of the refills. So the starter kits are priced at $9. The refill 4 count is priced at $8.50. So that's still going to be pretty pricey even with the coupon. This coupon is glitching and it is working if you want to pick up 2 of the 4-count refills at $8.50. After that coupon is applied, you are going to pay $12 for both of the 4-count refills. However, we do have a higher value coupon that is a digital, and then we also have the same Dollar Shave Club coupons in the Unilever insert. So, all right, next up we have 5 off 3 for the Gillette Clinical deodorants. Those are pretty pricey at $4.75 each. So we're just going to go ahead and clip it. I don't think I'm going to use it though. We're going to skip over a few of these coupons here. But we do have that $3.50 off one for the Dollar Shave Club product. Like I said, it works on the 4-count refills. Those are priced at $8.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5. 3 off 1 for the Venus, 6 off 2 for the L'Oreal Paris Hair Color, 2 off 1 for the Maybelline New York products. Now this is a manufacturer coupon, and last Sunday we received a 2 off 1 DG store coupon for the Maybelline products. So there's a lot that y'all can pick up and get some really good deals this week with those 2 coupons. You can pick up, there's different mascaras to choose from that are priced at $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. You can also pick up the Maybelline face powders. Those are priced at $5.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.95. And then we also have the 1-count eyeliner pencils. Those are priced at $5.25. After both of those coupons are applied, you're going to pay $1.25. So really awesome deal there. Next up, we have 3 off 1 for the Dove Body Love Body Cleanser. Those are priced at $8.25. With the instant savings on Dove this week and this coupon, you're going to pay $3.25, and we do have that same value coupon in the Unilever insert today. All right, next up, 3 off 1 for the L'Oreal Paris Skincare. I'm going to go ahead. We already clipped all of these. I'm not going to talk about them just so that we can get to the really important deals, but I did clip them to my account. Of course, go ahead and clip your 5 off 25 for Saturday because we are going to have some really amazing deals. Lots of great coupons to work with. And then here's the one that I want to get to. We have a 5 off of 20 gain coupon. So this is awesome. Really good to see. So this will stack with our 5 off 25 on Saturday. And we can also stack it with that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, that back to school coupon during the week. So we have some really good deals to look forward to. So definitely go ahead and clip that one to your account. Now keep in mind, if you have self-checkout, fingers crossed, if you use self-checkout, the gain coupon will stay on your account. But if you do not have self-checkout and you have to use the regular register, this gain coupon is one-time use only per account, and this one doesn't expire until the end of August. So this is our gain coupon for the whole month, all right? All right, moving on down. We have some more DG store coupons. Go ahead and clip all of those to your account. There's that 3 off 15. Now, I have kind of gotten into the habit of not clipping this coupon to my account until I'm ready to go to the store. So, I don't know why. That's what I'm doing, just so that it doesn't mess up my 5 off $25 scenarios on Saturday. Alright, go ahead and clip all of those DG store coupons, and here's one more that I want to talk about. We have a 1 off 2 for the big stationery products. Now, there's a lot that's working with this coupon, and it will stack with that 3 off 15 back to school coupon as well. There's a lot of the pens, pencils, and markers on sale this week for $1.50. So pick up 2 of those. You can mix and match. Use this coupon. You're going to pay $2 for 2. Now, you can also pick up the Bic Whiteout. Those are priced at $1 each. Pick up 2. Use this coupon. You're going to pay $1 for 2. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to turn on those notifications because we are going to have some amazing deals that you do not want to miss out on this week. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. Leave me a comment down below and take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.